Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Viewers, in this video I am gonna share with you borderless design for dupatta. For this purpose I took the printed organza dupatta whose length is 2.5 meter and width is 1.25 meter. For designing I will use the bottle green color anchor thread and sequins. These sequins are in floral shape and are easily available at any lace store. I am using the same color of anchor thread and sequins, but you can use the contrasting colors. Let's start the design. First we fold the border of dupatta with the press. You can stitch the border of the dupatta with machine, but here I simply press the border. Then we paste the sequins on the entire border of dupatta by applying the glue. And then we will start the embroidery around the sequins. For this purpose, I thread the needle with the entire 8 strand of anchor thread. Now we will insert the needle through the center hole of the sequins and drag it out towards the border by making a chain stitch on the sequins. Through this chain stitch, we will make 4 to 5 more chain stitch so that the shape of leaf is created on the sequins. Following the same pattern, the entire border will be completed. Here I will make once more time for your understanding, following the same embroidery pattern to complete the entire border of the dupatta. This is very simple and easy embroidery pattern to make the lace around the border of the dupatta without seeking the expensive laces from the market. So I completed the entire border of dupatta by using the same embroidery pattern, and it looks very elegant and beautiful. We will make little more embroidery on this dupatta. Now here is a look how this embroidery is looking so amazing and stunning. We will add little more embellishment on this dupatta to complete the design. Now we will take the simple stitches on the sequins on each petal of the sequins to fix it well. I will drag the needle upward from the center hole of the sequin and make the stitches on the entire sequin. I will continue to make the stitches on the sequins until it is completed. So here it is completed. I will go to the next and the final step. After this, we will make a bead on the sequins in the middle by using the thread. After passing a needle in the middle of the sequins, we will take 4 to 5 wraps around the needle and drag it down to make a bead on the sequins. Following the same pattern, we will complete the entire embroidery. So this is what the bordered lace is looking like. So beautiful and so elegant, easy to make and enhancing the charm of dupatta. Viewers, if you like my video, please press the like button and don't forget to share with your friends and family. And if you are first time on my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos on fashion and the style. Thanks for watching.